Okay, this is the point where I'd done the siding up to here. I was able to get the screws behind this, but I'm not allowed to open this up until, you know, the city comes and does it. I've already called them, but they're taking forever. So I was able to just to pull the siding out from underneath. I've got a 2-inch conduit underneath, like right here, that goes into the wall, and I cut this section out of that board with a little notch right there. And I'm about to put this board up, and it's got the other half of the notch right there. So I just cut that out. I cut this out along the seam right there. This diagonal cut isn't, you know, supported, but it's, you know, it's underneath the panel. It's not that big of a deal. But yeah, this is off the wall right now. And whenever the city shows up, I can open that up and put the lug bolts back in there and pull it up with the OSB. And hopefully I'll be able to stick siding in underneath there too. The lap siding underneath there before I bolt it up. Because I'd like to be able to have a lap on it and everything. So.
Oh, nice, John. Like a puzzle piece.
I'll have to adjust that cut a little bit, but that's it for the most part.
That's awesome. Looks great. I'm glad you figured that out. That was pretty complicated.